Hey there, Sarah here from Thermaltake Australia, and for those of you who haven't been keeping track, it's actually been 12 months since Justin and I joined TTANZ. Since then, Jono, Justin and I have worked together to make tons of awesome content for you guys that we hope you've all really enjoyed. So I thought, as a way to celebrate 12 months worth of content, we would try and go back and redo one of our first ever videos together, which was actually the H200 build video. It was the first video I hosted and that Justin edited for the channel. If only I had some really awesome, amazing parts to build with. I mean, that works. Am I supposed to do the next line?
Yeah.
Leave this in. So let's find out if after 12 months I have become a slightly more competent builder. On with the build. Starting it all off with our motherboard, I'm using an ASUS ROG STRIX B365F gaming motherboard. I'm going with an Intel i7-9700K for the CPU. I'm also using 16GB of our very own TOUGHRAM Z1 RAM. For our SSD, I'm going with a WD Blue SN500 500GB SSD. I'm going to keep our CPU nice and cool with our very own Water 3.0 240mm AIO. All of this will be going into one of our gorgeous H550 mid-tower cases. To power everything, I'm using our old faithful Tough Power GF1 650 watt power supply. For our hard drive, I'm going with a 2TB SEAGATE BARRACUDA HDD. I'm tapping in an ASUS RTX 2060 Super graphics card. Our gorgeous build, and I didn't break anything that you know of. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and thank you so much for all the support over the past 12 months and beyond. We really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video today, remember to leave us a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're still hanging around, check out either of these two Thermaltake videos that are floating in the air above me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Please include that bye.